In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Brave browser on your Windows 10 PC and use it properly so that you have a faster browsing experience. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you are not doing fantastic, just stick with me till the end. You are definitely going to go away with a big smile on your face. So you want to download the Brave browser, but you're confused as to where to get that from and how to install it on your PC and how to ensure that it works perfectly for you. This is what you need to do. Okay, first of all, open up a browser that is already on your PC. Okay, so assuming the fact that you have a Windows 10 operating system, you could open up Microsoft Edge or a Chrome or whatever browsers you already have. So on a Windows 10, you would already have the Edge browser. So let me open the Edge browser on my system so that I could show you exactly how this is done. So once you open the Edge browser, you need to just type in on the address bar, or you could go to Google or use the Bing search bar, download Brave browser. Okay, do that and hit the enter button of your laptop. Now you're going to be directed to the search results. The first website is for Brave, which is brave.com. You could directly come out here, but I recommend you do a search using the Bing or Google option so that you go to that specific page to download the browser. Okay, so you click on this link, and once you do that, you're going to be redirected to this page from which you could download the browser for your operating system. Okay, so you could click on this option to download the Brave browser, and once you do that, the installer is actually downloaded to your PC. Okay, so as you can see, the installer is already downloaded. The next thing to do is click on this link, or you could get to your downloads folder and open up the installer on your computer system. Okay, so once you click on the installer, you get an option or pop-up like this. You click on yes, and once you click on yes, you get a pop-up like this which tells you that the installer is downloading the Brave browser. Okay, so we gotta wait for a few minutes. So I'm going to pause the video out here. Once this is installed, I will get back to you. So it seems like the Brave browser has been downloaded to my computer system. So I go ahead and open the Brave browser, or it automatically pops up like this. You have a shortcut on the desktop by default. So when you click on this link, you're going to be directed to the Brave browser directly. So once you are on the Brave browser, you could type in anything like google.com or whatever you want to open, and you could see that this browser is pretty fast. Okay, the reason why Brave browser is fast is because it by default blocks ads or annoying cookies that actually track you. So this is a browser that is going to maintain your privacy. So if you are a person who is concerned about your privacy, if you do not want websites or other services tracking you, Brave can actually help you do that. Another amazing feature of the Brave browser is that you get an option to opt in for getting paid to view ads or pop-ups. Okay, so when you view ads, you get paid in a crypto called BOT token. Okay, so the more tokens you accumulate, you could encash them, or you could actually use them as a tip for creators and stuff like that on the Brave ad network. So to opt in for that service, you need to click on this symbol out here, which is the symbol for the BOT token. Once you do that, you get a pop-up like this. And once the pop-up opens up completely, you click on start using Brave rewards, and whenever you see pop-ups or ads showing up on the Brave browser, you just need to X them out, but you're going to be paid certain amount of BOT tokens. So here you could see your BOT balance, and I have been using Brave for quite some time now. I just uninstalled that from my PC to reinstall it, record it in my video, and show you how this is actually done the proper way. So that deserves a like, right? So hit the like button and share my content. So this is how you need to download and install the Brave browser so that you have an amazing experience. I'm saying amazing experience because Brave is already fast, so you could just use the browser, surf the internet faster, okay, as compared to any other website browsers out there. I'm not saying that the other browsers are bad, but Brave is amazingly fast. So I hope you enjoyed my short and sweet tutorial today. If you did, subscribe to my channel, smash the bell notification icon, and always share my content after you watch my videos. And hey, I do have a couple of other channels through which I teach you how to make money online through affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and stuff like that. If you are interested in learning how to have a secondary income for yourself apart from your normal job, click on those links in my description, watch free video tutorials, and make genuine money online. So this is it for today. Until my next one, adios, take care.